Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video, a very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm going to talk about the Seng Index, the Hong Kong stock market index. I'm going to tell you all how the Seng could behave in the next week. Well, last week I had given you all a prediction regarding Seng for this particular week, which has ended on the 10th of May 2024. I had told you all that the Hong Kong stock market index would remain from flat to positive. I had told you all that I am bullish on the Seng index this week, the week which has ended on the 10th of May 2024. And as you all can see on your trading screen, that has exactly happened. Now listen to this very carefully. I had given you all a range of the Seng index last week for this particular week, which has ended on the 10th of May 2024. And that range was between levels of 18,116 and 18,917. Well, the lower level of the range which I had given you all was 18,116. And the Seng this week touched a level of 18,278. I had told you all 18,116 and the Seng this week touched a level of 18,278. So I was quite near that level. Well, the upper level of the range which I had given you all was 18,917 and the Seng this week touched a level of 18,993 and it reversed from there. So you see, I was very close to the levels where the Seng touched this week. So you would agree with me that my predictions regarding the Seng index for this week were superb. Yes, it was quite accurate. Well, I am not telling this to brag in front of you all or to show off in front of you all or to impress you all, but to impress upon you all the power of astrology and numerology. With my more than 32 years of experience in astrology and numerology, I have been able to give you all such predictions regularly. Similar accurate predictions in the past, and I have done this hundreds of times before. So if you also want to know about your future, your business, your career, your job, your relationships, your love relationships, your marriage, your married life, your children, your property, stock market, how successful you will be in the stock market, education, property, etc., 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 then also you may contact me. You may also contact me if you want a solution to your problem. This solution which I am talking about is a fusion of astrological remedy, Vastu remedy and spiritual remedy. So if you wish to contact me, you are most welcome to WhatsApp me. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now let me start predicting about the next week. Well, my prediction about the Seng index for the next week is that the Seng index could remain from flat to negative in the next week. That is from the 13th of May 2024 until 17th of May 2024. The 15th of May is a holiday. There will be no trading session in Hong Kong on that particular day. So there are 4 trading sessions during the next week. My prediction for the Seng is that the Seng could remain from flat to negative this week, the week which I am talking about. But that doesn't mean that it cannot go above that level where the Seng closed on the 10th of May 2024. Yes, it can go above that level where it closed on the 10th of May 2024. But the Seng index would close in the negative territory below that level where it closed on the 10th of May 2024. However, I want to give you all a range of the Seng index for this particular week. My range of the Seng would be that the Seng could trade between levels of 18,468 and 19,338. And when the markets close next Friday, that is the 17th of May 2024, you could see the Seng index trading above a level of 18,553. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here is something else for y'all. I want to tell y'all that if the Hang Seng Index starts to trade below a level of 18,444 for 90 minutes or more than 90 minutes, 1.5 hours or more than 1.5 hours, then you can easily assume that the Hang Seng Index has turned bearish and it could lose another 150 to 200 points from that level of 18,444. And if the Hang Seng Index starts to trade above that level of 19,404 for 90 minutes or more than 90 minutes, 1.5 hours or more than 1.5 hours, then you can easily assume that the Hang Seng Index has turned bullish. And it could gain another 100 to 150 points from that level of 19,404. But my prediction about the Hang Seng Index is that it could close below that level where it closed on the 10th of May 2024. Well, this is all I wanted to tell you all about the Hang Seng Index for the next week. And here I want to end my video. जय माता दी, जय मां काली।